Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials, a backup and a clear scope. Make a copy of settings, JSON and key bindings. JSON now, because once you reset, you may lose custom shortcuts and themes. Next, export your extension list, run code list extensions, or use the extensions view to save names. Once done, choose whether to reset just user settings, remove extensions, or perform a complete application wipe. This choice determines the commands and folders you'll target in the next step. Now you execute the chosen reset. If you reset settings, delete or overwrite settings. JSON in the user folder on Windows, %appdata%/code/user, on Mac OS/Linux, /. config/code/user. If removing extensions, run code uninstall extension for each listed extension or delete the extensions folder to wipe them all. Then clear caches and storage by deleting cache and storage folders to remove session state. As you proceed, make sure to preserve your backup copies so you can restore selectively afterward. Finish by restarting VS Code and verifying that the environment is clean, default theme, no custom key bindings, and the extension list is empty if you removed them. Reinstall only essential extensions to avoid reintroducing issues. If you want previous tweaks, restore individual entries from your backups instead of wholesale replacements to isolate problems. If something still breaks, open Help Toggle Developer Tools and inspect console errors. Then consult log files. This reveals permission issues, corrupted extensions, or path problems you can fix next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.